Tonight I'm going to show you how to create this relaxing, calming, massaging oil. You can see all the equipment that we have in here. It looks complicated, but trust me, it's super simple. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Saffie. I'm a yoga teacher, fitness trainer, health nutrition coach, and I'm also a model. Tonight, we're going to create a relaxing and it's a soothing massage oil. What ingredient we're gonna put? Well, the first thing you have to do is prepare one of these amber bottle. Next, you need to have a base oil. Personally, I love sweet almond oil. It's very easy to absorb, it's not too greasy, and I just love the smell with a little bit sense of nutty smell, and it's super moist, and once you put it on, it's very easy to spread it out. Of course, you can also use other oil like coconut oil, jojoba oil, different type of massage oil for base. The next oil is very important ingredient is bergamot. Bergamot oil is a very sweet, very fruity, very lively, very inspiring essential oil. It's also very good for uplifting or bringing a chill and happy mood. I really love it. And next we have cedar wood. Cedar wood is one of my favorite woody, kind of bring you back into the forest feelings. So it gives you such a soothing, relaxing feelings that you kind of feel like you walk into the forest and you hear the waterfall and the birds sing at the background, the wind blowing your hair, and you can smell the very soothing, calming, very comfortable sense of cedar wood. Then last but not least is lavender. Lavender was known to be a very relaxing, perfect nighttime essential oil before bed. So we're gonna fill it up with 30 ml first. As you can tell here, there is a 30 ml marking in here, so it's super easy. You need a funnel, and it's super simple. You just have to pour it in. Here we go, super easy. Now we have the base. Next is to drop in our essential oil. We'll start with bergamot. We use 5 drops. Very simple, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, a little bit more, which is fine. Very fruity, very uplifting. Love it. Then cedar wood. Cedar wood, I put 3 drops. Very soothing, just as a base, a foundation layer on the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Next is lavender. Lavender, we put 10 drops because I want it to be very relaxing, very comfortable, so that you can feel the softening, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it will give you a very good night's sleep. Especially if you put it on your feet after a long day walking, you feel the sensation just calm down and relax. Alright, here we go. That is super simple to make. And what we do is we put in the punch so we don't pour everything out. Give it a kick. You hear the kick sound. And here we go. That's it. Of course, there's many combination of different type of essential oil, massage oil. That's why you can always get a few bottles and you can create your own. And I have here, I also have Love Potion massage oil, which is perfect for you to massage for yourself as well as your partners or your sisters or your best friends. And I have activating and energizing, which is perfect for the morning if you needed to wake up yourself. And not to mention, this is another calming nighttime oil, which is perfect for meditations or massage your temples or any part that you feel tense, and you can also massage with this. Isn't it super easy to make and it's super simple and super fun? Well, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Like it, share it to anyone that can benefit from this video. And don't forget to leave me your comment and tell me how you feel after you create this and use it. Or if you have any questions or any feelings after you using it, I would love to hear from you. I'm Saffie. I hope to see you very soon. Namaste.